Is this thing on? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adine, and today we're going to talk about this new chapter in my life and how I'm moving forward with my channel. So today I wanted to talk about something that I shared previously. I'm a very private person and I really don't share much of what's going on in my life on social media, but something told me that I really need to talk about this because a lot of us right now are going through this, and I just want to share, be open, and hopefully build a community and a sisterhood, or, just have somebody to talk about what's going on. So if you see my last couple videos, I've been unemployed for 8 months. And this season, I've been calling it like the in-between season. And this season in my life has really taught me and has really changed a lot of things for me. So if you're interested on, what's going on and how I've been navigating this and like the reality of being in the in-between season, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm calling this my in-between season because it's exactly how it has been and how I've been feeling. It's not where I used to be. It's not where I want to be either. So it's been very eye-opening, confusing, uncomfortable, very humbling as well. And I just wanted to talk about it. So I lost my job 8 months ago, November of 2024. And I really thought it's okay, I'll bounce back. I have the experience, I have the degree, I have the certifications. I'm good. Back in the day when I used to quit a job or lose a job, I would literally get a job within like 30 days and I'll be fine. Right now, about to start month 9 in August, and to be honest, I guess I'm still in disbelief a little bit, but when the opportunities didn't, I guess, come as fast as I thought, I had to face something and dig a little bit deeper and think about maybe this is not where I'm supposed to be. And I'm not supposed to go back to who I was. So that's something that I had to kind of let it sit and marinate and really realize hey, I want my old life back, but I don't think God wants me to go back to my old life. So that's something that I really had to, I guess, resonate and let it sit with me and process. So I've been working, I like to say, my whole life. I think I got my first job illegally, okay, under the table when I was like 13 or 14. And I'm in my 30s. I'm in my mid 30s. So I've been working for a long time. And I also served the United States Air Force. So, I have a lot of things going for myself. And I spent most of my life chasing stability and security and doing, I guess, what I'm supposed to be doing, right? Going to school, getting the degrees, getting the careers, doing this. But sometimes I think about for what? What was the purpose of all that? To feel stuck, to feel like I don't have no time, to feel like I don't have no peace. So the last 8 months have really taught me to kind of sit back and ask myself certain questions, such as, who am I without a title, the title that I used to have, right? Who am I without a job, and what do I really want to do? Back in, I think, 2018, I actually opened up my own business and I had a laser studio in Las Vegas and I loved it. I was working long hours and doing what I had to do, but I loved it. I had 2 rooms, I had 2 girls working for me, and I loved every minute of it. I was, kind of taking control of my life. And this happened right before the pandemic. So the pandemic was kind of starting out and I decided okay, it's my first business. I really didn't know what to do, how to go about it. So I decided to shut the business down and kind of move on with my life. And I went back to a 9 to 5. And since then, the truth is that I have definitely changed. having my own business made me realize that I have outgrown that version of me that I used to try to just survive, just go to work, get a paycheck, do I guess, the normal things, the 9 to 5, which is nothing wrong with that because your girl is still looking for a job, okay? But what it is I had to let go of my old life, the life that I thought that I wanted, so I could make space for the one I deserve. And what I mean by that is God didn't let me lose my job for any reason. Like God didn't just bring me this far just to leave me stranded. There's a reason and a purpose behind this in between season. And that's what I'm really trying to figure out, how to navigate the space that I'm in. So you're probably wondering, what have you been doing the last 8 months? Well, I have not been sitting still. I have not been just, chilling. Well, some chilling and some, trying to figure it out. But I have been rebuilding internally, spiritually, professionally. I signed up for a boot camp and I got 4 certifications. I'm currently studying for another certification. And I just been pouring into myself, kind of like a glow up, okay? Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I've been rebuilding my the things that I thought that I wanted, trying to figure out like, okay, God, which way do you want me to go? I've been brainstorming and rebranding some of my ideas that I had in the past for my YouTube channel. And I also been just dreaming about doing certain things such as, traveling more often and creating a life of my own terms. I love traveling and that's one of my passions. And I think God knows that's one of my passions because even though I've been unemployed so far this year, I have been on 4 trips and I still have more to go. And I just thank God that I'm just like, I don't know how these trips are happening, but they're happening and I'm so happy about it because it really fuels me. I love learning new cultures, experiencing new things. I love experiences and I'm just blessed that somehow God is still providing for me and my bills are paid and I'm still able to travel. So shout out to God, okay? So I've been calling this, I guess, this in between season, my pivot season. I am pivoting, okay? My pivot era, and with that comes new directions and new things that I want to do on this channel and in my life as well. So I want this space to be for women in their 30s and plus, okay, who are pivoting, who are growing up, who are starting over. But we're not starting over from scratch. Okay, we are starting from experience because we have so much experience. And just because one door closes does not mean another one is not going to open. Okay, so you're going to see on this channel like my real life updates, what I've been up to as far as my career, my business ideas that I want to do, beauty and wellness, travel blogs, and just motivating and rebuilding how I'm motivating people and rebuilding my life. And I want us to do it together. I'm actually showing the journey in real time. I haven't uploaded in about 60 days, and that's for a reason because I actually had to sit still and figure out what do I want to share with the world. And I don't, social media, it shows the highlights of everybody's lives. And I think right now people are missing the nitty gritty, like the real life. You know what I mean? Like, hey, I got to pay my bills. I got to go to work, like there's a beauty in all that. Yes, I am still looking for a job, but also love content creation. I have my nail license. I have a lot of things that I bring to I have a lot of things that I bring to the table. I'm just not a corporate person. So I want to dive into this channel and just kind of show how to navigate life as a multifaceted woman. And I love that for us. And like I said, I'm showing this in real time, and I hope it inspires you to believe that your pivot is not the end. It's just the beginning, okay? If you feel stuck like in the between and you're letting go of the life that you thought you wanted, if you're trying to rebuild, okay, with grace, grit, and God, we can't do nothing without God. You're in the right place because navigating all this in real time, and I want to share it with you guys. So, yeah, you guys, that's basically how I'm planning to pivot, I guess. And that's how I've been feeling and what I've been doing the last 8 months of being unemployed. And I just hope that if this resonated with you, make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you're in a season of change. I would love to talk about it and build a community and let you know that we are not alone in this and we're just getting started. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.